This time we're going to construct an entire truth table. Okay, so we're going to start from scratch. Here's the statement we're looking at. So first of all, you see a P, you see a Q. So go ahead, always do the PQ. So that would be true, true, false, false. And then Q is true, false, true, false. Then check and see if you need any nots. Okay. So if I look at this, I need a not P, so I've got that column. I also need a not Q, so I have that column. Not P means you take this and you do the opposite. So if it was true, true, false, false, now we're going to have false, false, true, true. Not Q means the opposite, so I'm going to have false, true, false, true. Now, this one's where it gets a little bit tricky. So it says not P. I'm looking at this column right here and Q, this column. Those are the two columns I'm looking at right now, not P and Q. For it to be true, they both have to be true because it's an and. So let's look at these two. True and false. Nope, that's false. Okay, I'm looking at the not P and the Q here. True and, nope, actually it's false and false, so it's absolutely false. On this one, the third row, true and true is true. The fourth row, false and true is false. Okay, now in the last column, it says, let me do this first. Let's erase these two. So let's see what we're looking at for this last column. On the last column, I'm looking at the not P and Q, that's this one, or not Q. So I'm looking at this not Q here. Those are the two I'm looking at, not P and Q, and then I have an or, not Q. Now remember when it's or, if one is true, that's okay, the answer is true, one or the other. So let's look at these two columns. False, false is false. Second row, true and false is true. False and true is true. One or the other has to be true. And the last row, true and false, is true. So the answer to this one would be false, true, true, true. Now let's look at part B. Okay, so part B says, if both P and Q are true, what is your truth value? So we want to go to where both P and Q are true. Okay, that's going to be right here. P and Q are true on that one. And the truth value for part B is going to be false because they were only interested in that particular row where the P and Q were both true. So if they ask for the answer to the whole truth table, it's this purple column. If they ask for the answer to part B, then the answer is going to be false.